Right, back on the ship's engine dial. I think we've finally got all the little issues solved. I've decided to run it today as a sort of a test that everything's been sorted out, no leaks, and hopefully we won't catch fire. But this time what I've decided to do is run it on the Bix. So I'll put that in there. Let's probably turn that down a bit. Don't want it roaring. I don't like to heat things up really quickly. Let them gently warm up. But yeah, last time, remember, we had a bit of a fire. I've attached a little condensation exhaust line to this little brass pot, so that stop it spraying everywhere. All I've got to do is do my oiling, bit of steam oil, it's a hot day today, so I can feel that air in there is actually expanded, push that out. So get that in there. And my normal oil, just a little normal oil in there. You might hear some aircraft in the background. There's a Spitfire out there at the moment. If I can hear it coming close, I'll try and get a video of it. But I live quite close to Battle of Britain Memorial flight. This is a bank holiday weekend, and often they're flying back from some display, and they treat us to a bit of a display on the way back. So we'll see. If I can hear it, I'll switch off and link back and try and add it in. How about that? Right, so I'll give it a few minutes, see if it comes round again. Right, this one, it's got a lazy manometer or pressure gauge, because that don't normally show until this will already run. So I can see the condensation already coming through the This engine runs really easily, doesn't take much pressure. I wonder whether that is a lazy pressure gauge or this is just a eager engine. You can see condensation coming down the tube. It's quite an eager engine, this one, I think. I can feel there's condensation in there now. Steaming that pipe up. And there she goes. Very eager engine, that. Oh, 5 psi. Let's get it slowed down. Lovely engine. This is a lovely running engine. Your little chuff pot. I wouldn't call it a chuff pot, but yeah, that's working as well. Turn it down. Pressure's gone right up. Just turn that down. Pressure's gone up quick. I don't know why it is. Put that on low pressure. Right, so let's had the flame too high again. Very sensitive, this one. Very sensitive. I'll turn that flame down even more. We'll try and keep that down to about 15 psi, no more. But how about that? Yeah, it's running lovely. Yeah, the little pot's working well. You can see all that's going around there. Yeah, reduce that flame, got that psi down to about 15. Look at that. Lovely. I like it, you don't have to use a little, you know, one of those what are they, transmission lines. This runs off a gear. Anyway guys, do a like and subscribe if you like this sort of thing. I'm doing a few more this afternoon. This one, no problems now, no leaks. If you get the pressure right, no leaks anywhere, and the engine runs lovely. I'll leave it there guys. Cheers.